Welcome to San Andreas, I'm CJ from Grove Street, land of the heinous, gangbangers in cold heat. And Los Santos neighbors get no sleep, beefing with anybody, competing, either police. Fold deep in the green rag with gold feet, blast with the flag on strap, that's OG. Stay in shape, hit the gym, lift the weights, get super cutter, big and buff, nice and straight. You got stats to spec, weapon skill, stamina, muscle, fat, and sex appeal. You get clothes from Binkos and Prolapse, suburban zip, victim and desatch. Watch your back when in rival hoods. They'll test just to guess if your survival's good. Ducking shells at the Cluckin' Bell, jump out, bustin' gun until they tuck their tail. It seemed like I'm on impossible missions. Switch the position, impossible positions. 10 Penny and Pulaski harass me. Cop cars been on our ass the last past week. Cause the Dre is for the gangsters, homeboy. Hands is the language for the bangers, homeboy. And it's dangerous, homeboy. Get your brains moved for how you do your bangers, homeboy. Heat cock, we poppin' coppers, dump them out in the block, shake before the cops come. Listen for sirens, they don't got none. Back another lap, catch a straggler with the shotgun. Hitting them up with that Grove Street lock and a dirty slingshot, no Levi.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice cover.